In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the appearance of notifications on your iPhone. Notifications are a great way to stay updated with important information and messages from your apps, but sometimes they can be distracting or overwhelming. Luckily, you have the power to customize how notifications appear on your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. Once you are on this page, you'll see 3 different options at the top. These are how the notifications displayed on the lock screen of your iPhone. The first option is Count. This will only show you the number of notifications you have without showing you what those notifications actually are. The second option is Stack. This will only show you the most recent notification you received, and then the rest of them are stacked on top of each other. You can pull up and see all of the notifications. And the final option is List. This will show you all the notifications you received, and you can scroll down and see them all. So depending on your preference, select one of these options. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.